In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Walmart gift card online, a task that could come in handy when you're looking to shop conveniently from the comfort of your home. First, let's head over to the Walmart website. Open your preferred web browser and type in walmart.com, and you'll be directed to their homepage. Once there, you'll find yourself amid a plethora of savings and deals. Truly, it's a good start for a savvy online shopping experience. Begin by clicking on the Services tab, which you'll find in the main navigation menu. This is where you can explore a range of services Walmart offers, from photo services to financial products, each of which can smoothly facilitate your shopping journey. Now, direct your attention to the Financial Services section. Clicking on this will unfold yet another set of options, among which you'll find the Walmart gift card selection. Click on it and you're on your way to choosing a perfect gift card. When you land on the gift card page, you'll notice a variety of options. For the purpose of this guide, let's consider choosing the basic blue yellow Spark Walmart gift card. It's simple and easy on the eyes. Next, you get to decide how much you'd like on your card. They offer a wide range: $20, $25, $50, $75, even up to $300 or more. Choose an amount that suits your budget and your needs, always keeping in mind your planned purchase. Once you're content with the amount, click Add to Cart. This simple click secures your selection and you're ready for the next step. Now, with your gift card neatly tucked in your cart, you might want to see what's new. Head back to the home page and click on New Arrivals. It's always exciting to explore the latest additions, and who knows, you might stumble upon something special. Once you find a product you like, click on it and select Add to Cart to prepare it for purchase. From there, make your way to the checkout section. As you reach the checkout screen, this is where your gift card comes into play. You'll see an option to apply a gift card during the payment phase. Enter your gift card information in the provided fields to ensure any balance is credited towards your purchase. It's a straightforward process, yet taking your time to ensure everything is accurately entered can save potential frustration. And that's it! You've learned how to buy and use a Walmart gift card online. It's a practical skill for any savvy shopper, perfect for making quick, convenient, and secure purchases through Walmart's online store. Enjoy exploring their vast array of products, knowing you can shop with the ease and flexibility that comes with your gift card.